Hello, it's Jilly here from funcraftstodo@home.com, and as usual, if you don't want to listen to the voiceover, you can turn the sound down and your subtitles on. Now, have you ever thought about making your own jewellery to sell online? And have you been stopped from doing this because you don't know what you're going to sell, or you feel that you're not artistic enough, or you're not crafty enough, you're not clever enough? If that's you, then stay tuned because this video is for you. In my latest blog post over on my craft website, which is www.funcraftstodo@home.com, I'm talking about the 5 top tips for people who want to sell their handmade jewellery but are not sure where to begin. Now, if you want to make jewellery like you see here in this picture, but you aren't sure where to source the images because of copyright issues, etc., then you may want to watch this video and then head over to my blog and see what I have to say about how easy it is to get started making simple jewellery that is saleable even if you don't have any design skills. Now, my regular viewers will be aware that I often give away free designs for people to use to make their own jewellery, bag charms, fridge magnets, card toppers, keychains, designs like you see here. And over the months that I have been giving these designs away, lots of people have asked me if they're allowed to use my designs to make items that they can sell online. And the answer to that is yes, you can. And as with all free stuff, there are terms and conditions attached, and you will find the terms and conditions on the download page where you will find the free images. And those terms and conditions are just cover standard things like you would expect with any free giveaway, that's telling you that you can use this in your craft projects, even those that you want to sell, but that you must not use the images as is to share, to give away, to resell in the form that I present them to you. So basically, yes, you can go ahead and use my designs to make stuff to sell online. You just need to make sure that you read the terms and conditions, and if there's anything you don't understand, then please do contact me. I'll be happy to talk to you. And to be honest, nothing would make me happier than knowing that somebody out there who needed to find a way to make a bit of money was actually using my designs to achieve that. Now, my designs are not going to make you rich, but they may be a starting point for you to get the confidence to start designing your own jewellery. So, with all that in mind, I have this week put a new design on my website, and you'll be really pleased to hear there's no password involved this time. All you need to do is go to my website. You'll find a link on the end screen of this tutorial. You can also find a link to my website in the About section on my YouTube channel header. So all you need to do is go over there and find the blog post with this image at the top. The first line of the title says "Making Jewellery to Sell," and then within that post you will find a link to the page on my site where the free printable is. And as I said, there's no password this time. I've made things simpler for you. After you've downloaded the design, you need to print it off either onto 6x4 matte photographic paper or 6x4 glossy photographic paper. Now, whether you use matte or glossy depends on how you are going to fix the cabochon to the design. In this tutorial, I show you how to use crystal clear double-sided sticky tape to attach your image. Therefore, I have used glossy paper. If you use a wet method, you will need to use matte paper. I highly recommend using the crystal clear double-sided sticky tape simply because it makes the process of making the jewellery much faster because there is no drying time. And all you need to do now is follow what you see me do here. If you don't have a square craft punch, then just use scissors or a craft knife. This is the metal pendant bezel where your design will go, and this is the glass cabochon that you need to stick your image to. And as I said, I use this crystal clear double-sided tape because it's a much cleaner, faster method of making these pendants. And there will be a link on my blog post where you can get this particular tape. So I'm just sticking my image on here, face down of course. I have actually got that on there a bit on the skew, but that it doesn't really matter, but you know, try and get it on there straight. This tape is 1 inch wide, so I do have to, you know, try and get it on there quite accurately. I'm really sorry about the state of my fingernails. I've had loads of paint and ink that I haven't been able to get off my hands. My hands are ragged from all the washing that I've been doing. Very sore actually. So there you can see, or you can't see, the double-sided tape because it is absolutely crystal clear. And then you very carefully, and you do have to be very accurate with this, just fix the image on there. And it's really important to do this before you put the image into the bezel. Otherwise you may have problems getting good surface to surface adhesion between the glass cabochon and the design. So to fix my designs inside the bezel, I use very heavy duty double-sided tape. I have never had one fall out. And once again, I'm doing it this way because I want you to be able to make your jewellery quickly. That is the key to making money. If you take 2 days to make your pendants or your charms, whatever you're making, if you take 2 days to make them, and if you use supplies that cost a lot of money, then it's not worth your while selling your jewellery online because you won't be able to charge the prices to reflect the time you took. So that's why I do everything with sticky tape, and as I said, nothing has ever fallen off or out. So that's the one design that I've shown you for this video. So hop on over to my blog using the link that you'll find on the end screen coming up in a moment, and have a read of what I've got to say there about the 5 top tips for creating jewellery that you can sell online. And there's also links over there on my website telling you where you can get all the supplies that you see me use in this video. The ball chains, the glass cabochons, the metal pendant bezels, the double-sided tape, everything. There's links to everything, so you will be able to get the supplies that you see me using here. Now I hope this video has been useful to you. If it has, give it the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you get notification of all my new videos as they come up. And of course, you will also get to know every time I publish a new free printable. And while you're over on my website, why don't you consider subscribing there too, and then you really won't miss anything. Thank you everyone for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video with another free printable. Take care everyone. Bye.